The Ford Explorer EV 2023 present makes finding your vehicle identification number VIN simple. This video shows you how to quickly locate it on your infotainment screen, a key feature for insurance, recalls, and service needs. No need to search under the hood. Let's get started. A vehicle identification number, or VIN, is a unique 17-character code assigned to every vehicle manufactured. This code serves as the vehicle's fingerprint, containing encoded information about its manufacturer, model year, production location, and specific characteristics. The VIN encodes specific details that help identify the vehicle uniquely. This includes the manufacturer code, vehicle type, model information, and a sequential serial number. The VIN is crucial for several reasons. It enables vehicle identification for registration and ownership purposes. It's required for warranty claims and maintaining accurate service records. The VIN helps Ford issue recall notices and safety alerts specific to your vehicle. Finally, it allows access to vehicle-specific information and services through Ford's digital platforms. Here's how to find the VIN on your Ford Explorer EV's touchscreen. From the home screen, tap the Settings icon. Next, select Vehicle or About. The exact wording may vary slightly. Finally, choose Vehicle Information. Your VIN will be displayed on this screen. The process should take less than 30 seconds. Let's visually walk through the menu. Start with the main screen. Tap Settings. Then tap Vehicle. Then select Vehicle Information. The VIN will appear on the screen. Note that some menus might be slightly different depending on your software version. Ensure your software is up to date for the most accurate access. Once you have your VIN from the infotainment screen, you can easily add your Explorer EV to the Ford Pass app. This allows you to access remote diagnostics, schedule service, and receive important vehicle updates. Simply enter your VIN when prompted within the app. The VIN is crucial for receiving targeted over-the-air updates. Ford uses your VIN to ensure your vehicle receives the correct software and feature enhancements. These updates can improve energy management, add new functionalities, and address potential issues. Ensure your VIN is registered with Ford to receive these important updates. If the VIN is not displayed on your Ford Explorer EV's infotainment screen, here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure your vehicle's software is up to date. Access the Settings menu on the touchscreen and check for any available updates. If the problem continues after updating, contact your local Ford dealership. They can diagnose potential software glitches or perform a system reset. As an alternative, the VIN can also be found on physical stickers located on the driver's side door jamb or on the dashboard near the windshield. In conclusion, finding your VIN on the Ford Explorer EV's screen is a convenient feature that simplifies vehicle management. This easy access enhances your connected EV experience, providing quick access to vital vehicle information whenever you need it. Remember to keep your software updated to take full advantage of this functionality.